hello friends. In this video we will use OpenVPN and port mem.io, which we discussed in the previous video. We will use port forming to take a right connection. Let's start. First this is our task. Here is OpenVPN. Right click on it and we will make the connection. After that, we can open any of our diets and choose any diet.
So we will use Alspica.
So first we add our listing port here. So our listing port, that's our triplet 9. So we write it here as triplet 9. After that, we clicked on build.
Line.
Here we need to enter the IP and follower port. So our IP,
this is Dasha
IP.
and this is our forward port. We will add it. Next we come to the options. Here we make it persistent. After installation we can select any custom option. So for now we select custom. We type the application name as YouTube Lite and provide the website.
In the next step, you have to add an icon.
After that, we can also write a custom notification here. You need to go to the information app, and here we will write Vikram's name, but we have to give the icon here again. In the next feature, we need to add the offline log, super mode, and hide permission screen. Here we have to select application version 2. Request accessibility. We set this to 15 seconds on accessibility. So let's put this in our mobile.